Hi everyone, my name is Alicia Beatriz, and for today's video, we're going to learn how to measure small objects using centimeter. So get your ruler and follow along with me. Now, look at your ruler. You can see the number from 0 up to 20 centimeter. Each number shows 1 centimeter. We use centimeter or cm to tell how long or short something is. Here are the things we'll measure today: a pencil, eraser, crayon, toothbrush, and spoon. Let's start with a pencil. Place the end of the pencil at the 0 mark on your ruler. Now, look at the other end. Did you see where it stops? Yes, you're right. The pencil measures 16 centimeters long. Now, let's measure the eraser. Put one side of the eraser at 0. Look where it ends. It stopped at 4 centimeters. So the eraser is 4 cm long. Now, let's compare. The eraser is shorter than the pencil because 4 cm is less than 16 cm. Next, let's check the crayon. Start at 0 again and look where it ends. This end is 12 centimeters long. Let's compare again. The crayon is shorter than the pencil, but it's longer than the eraser. Now, for the toothbrush. Start at 0 and look carefully. It reached 15 centimeters. The toothbrush is almost the same long as the pencil, but it's longer than the crayon and the eraser. And finally, the spoon. Line it up at 0. Then, look at the other end. The spoon is 13 centimeters long. So, the spoon is longer than the crayon but shorter than the pencil. Great job, everyone! Now you know how to measure small objects in centimeters and compares which ones are shorter or longer. Remember, always start at 0. Read the number at the other end. Thank you for learning with me today. See you next time and happy measuring!